Hi, it's Dr. Lisa Upshaw. I'm a holistic acupuncturist and wellness specialist. And today I'm going to be talking about healthy snacking. So in my practice, I for years have offered a couple different detox cleansing programs. One is called the 21-Day Purification Program, and another one is called Shed the Pounds, which is something that I came up with on my own. And in these programs, I encourage healthy snacking through the day. It doesn't mean that you're eating a ton of food. It just means that you're eating the right foods at the right time. I firmly believe that we as a society starve ourselves through the day and then binge at night at dinner time. Usually between 6:30 and 9:30, try to get in all this food because we've been starving. We haven't eaten all day. We eat more than we really should and more than we expect. And then we go to sleep on all that food. So I strongly believe that your heavier meal should be in the earlier part of the day with healthy snacking throughout the day. You know, eating something every 3 to 4 hours. So, of course, the obvious question that I get is, what should I eat? So I'm going to give you a list of some of my favorite snacks and some that patients have shared with me. Also, my family members have shared with me. So one thing that comes up a lot if you do eat eggs is just a hard-boiled egg. But one twist you can add to it is making some kale chips. So you can do that at home. You just get some kale, you coat it with like grapeseed oil, put them in the oven and roast them until they get nice and, a healthy crisp, not brown. So you do that, and then you crinkle them up, add some salt, and use that as like a salt for your egg. So it's like a kale salt. So that's one twist on a hard-boiled egg. I personally love hummus with just about everything. So right now I'm really into falafel that I get from Whole Foods. It's frozen. I cook it. It's like 6 minutes. I do it in the morning, take it with me. And then I'll use that for my hummus, or I'll just have some carrot sticks or broccoli or some zucchini with hummus. Same thing with guacamole. I like to have something that's protein dense or fat dense as my snack because it helps to satiate my hunger. So I don't get hungry too often. Another thing that I tend to go to often is just having like a smaller meal, or like a small cup of soup is fantastic to have, or just like a small salad, like a side salad as a snack. Another couple ideas would be apples, pears. I prefer low glycemic fruit so the blood sugar doesn't spike, which can tend to create some hunger sooner than what you would like. Of course, also mixed nuts. Also a smoothie. You can make a smoothie at home, take your stuff with you to make it on the go, or find a natural market like Whole Foods or other natural markets that make smoothies. Just be careful not to have it too heavy in fruit where it's too sugary. I hear that often people get bloated after having shakes, and my first thought is that it just may have too much sugar in it. Like if you're doing lots of mango, pineapple, banana, like all of the more sugary sweet fruits, then you're kind of just having like a big cup of sugar. Even though it's healthy, it's fruit sugar, you just want to be mindful if you have a tendency to have candida or bloating. You want to just be mindful of choosing lower glycemic fruits like berries, pears, citrus, apples. Bananas tend to be in the middle. If you do underripe, that may work better for you. Other snacks that I like, Mary's Gone crackers or gluten-free crackers, rice crackers. If your body doesn't mind grains, some people just can't do grains at all that well. So you have to be mindful of what works best for your body. So there is a list for you. I'm going to include it in this post. So feel free to come back to it if you're ever in the grocery store, lost, not knowing what to buy, or if you're looking in your refrigerator and you're not sure what to do. Check out this video, and I hope it helps. Come on over to my website at www.drlisaupshaw.com for more holistic wellness tips, nutrition tips, and just wellness insights overall. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.